How's it going, beautiful and amazing people? This is Takai, and today I'm going to be talking about this new handle that I got for the DJI RS2 from Small Rig. I'll take you away to where the sun shines, so bright, you can stare at the sun. Small Rig has always been one of my favorite camera accessory companies because the gear that they build is pretty solid and pretty affordable. And in my review video that I made a few months ago, I mentioned that I didn't like the handle that the RS2 came with because you have to take the tripod legs off the gimbal in order to use it. And I thought it was a pretty good idea, but then shortly realized that it wasn't because I hated the fact that I had to constantly attach and reattach the legs when using it. So I suggested this DIY solution that required buying some random accessories off of Amazon. And it worked for the most part, but it wasn't perfect because the handle could easily become looser. But now I have this guy, which is a lot sturdier and has just a much better feel than the little thing that I have right here. So as you can see right here, the little adjusty thing, I can just loosen it and there you go. You can adjust it to wherever you want, wherever you feel the most comfortable. So it has a female cold shoe mount that you could attach an external monitor to, and you can position it directly in front of your face using that thing. There's a bunch of 1/4-20 holes on here that you could attach accessories to. I personally like to attach a GoPro onto it for my behind the scenes shots of my gimbal. And then there's a second cold shoe mount here on the side. So whatever you choose to attach right here, or maybe you have your own BTS camera here, you can attach it right there. And if you don't have a cold shoe mount for it, then you can use the 1/4-20 screws. There's actually a lot of them. There's 1, 2, maybe 3. There's the 3/8 screws here too, like on the handle. And it also has a couple of them here on the top. So there's a lot of little places on here that you can attach random accessories to. And the handle feels really good to hold. It's nice and grippy, and the colors here actually match pretty well with the gimbal itself. I'm having a lot of trouble getting it on here. I promise it's not, oh, there we go. I promise it's not as hard as I literally just made it look. But there you go. You attach it to the side right here, tighten that guy up, and then adjust the handle. So now it's very easy to hold it. And you can also open the legs up and put it down very easily. So that's the video for today, guys. This one is short and sweet. And if you're interested in getting this handle, I linked it in the description down below. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more filmmaking related content. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.